Good day everyone, I am Belicano from BSIT 1C2 and today I am going to tackle and answer the problem Typhoons of 2016 to 2020. The total number of typhoons that had hit the Philippines from the year 2016 to 2020 is more than 90 but lesser than 110. Year 2018 had the most number of typhoons, one more than double the number of typhoons of the year 2016, which has the lowest rate. Year 2020 and 2017 has the same number of typhoons as like the number of months in 2 years subtracted by 2. And 2019 had a total of 21 typhoons, more than 7 from the least year. If you are to make a table of the exact number of typhoons that had hit the Philippines from the year 2016 to 2020, give the precise number of typhoons in each year, and tally the total number of typhoons that had hit the Philippines within the 5 years. To solve this problem, we should analyze first what is asked in the given problem. It is said that we have to make a table of the precise number of typhoons in each year and add it to tally the total number of typhoons that had hit the Philippines within the span of 5 years. Now that we know what we are looking for, we now have to list all the given in the problem. Let's start in the year 2016. It is mentioned in the problem that the year 2016 has the least number of typhoons. Year 2017 and 2020 has the same number of typhoons. Year 2018 has the most number of typhoons. And year 2019 has already given. It has 21 typhoons, and it also gives us the idea that it has 7 more typhoons than the least year, which is the year 2016. We also know that the total number of typhoons in 5 years is more than 90 but lesser than 110, as it is mentioned in the first sentence in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem, starting from the year 2016. It is mentioned in the problem that the year 2016 has the least total number of typhoons. It is also mentioned that the year 2019 has a total number of 21 typhoons and have 7 more typhoons than the least year, which is the year 2016. Now, we are going to copy 21 as the total number of typhoons of the year 2019. Also, we should bring the 7 down and subtract it from 21. 21 minus 7 is 14. And 14 is the total number of typhoons that had hit the Philippines in the year 2016. Now, we are going to solve the total number of typhoons for the year 2020 and 2017. It is mentioned in the problem that the year 2020 and 2017 has the same number of typhoons as like the number of months in 2 years subtracted by 2. How many months are there in a year? There are a total of 12 months in a year. Let's multiply it by 2, for it is mentioned in the problem that it is like a number of months in 2 years. 2 years. So 12 times 2 is 24. Then, we are going to subtract by 2. 24 minus 2 is 22. So the year 2017 and 2020 has the total number of 22 typhoons Now, we are going to solve for the year 2018. Who has the most number of typhoons in the span of 5 years? Year 2018 had the most number of typhoons, one more than double the number of typhoons from the year 2016. We already have the total number of typhoons for the year 2016, which is the least. All we have to do is copy the number 14 and multiply it by 2, having a product of 28. Then, we should analyze the problem. In the year 2018, it is said that 2018 had the most number of typhoons, one more than double the number of typhoons from the year 2016. Now, we already have the number 28. At this point, we are going to add 28 and the 1. 28 plus 1 equals to 29. 29 now is the total number of typhoons for the year 2018. We have the total number of typhoons for the year 2019, and it is 21. Now for the total number of typhoons for the span of 5 years. We should add up all of the total number of typhoons in each year. So 14 plus 22 plus 29 plus 21 plus 22. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Write 8 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 108. 108 is the total number of typhoons in the span of 5 years. To support our conclusion, we should make a number line beginning with 90 and ending up with 110. We should plot where does 108 should be seen in the number line. And 8 can be seen inside the number line. Therefore, it is greater than 90 but lesser than 110. Now, we are going to make a table. To sum it all up, we are now going to add all the necessary information inside the table. 2016 has a total number of 14 typhoons. 2017 has a total number of 22 typhoons. 2018 has the total number of 29 typhoons. 2019 has a total number of 21 typhoons. And 2020 has a total number of 22 typhoons, garnering a total of 108 typhoons for the span of 5 years. We have now solved the problem, typhoons of 2016 to 2020.